Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best oscillating tool is probably one of the most versatile tools you can own, capable of tackling a wide range of tasks from cutting and sanding to scraping and grinding. Its oscillating motion allows for precision and control, making it ideal for detailed work in tight spaces. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, this tool is a game changer. Number 5. GALAX Pro 22000 OPM Oscillating Multi-Tool. Introducing the GALAX Pro Oscillating Multi-Tool. This tool is designed to make cutting and sanding tasks easier and faster. It's a versatile tool for various projects. With a 1.5A motor, it delivers up to 22,000 oscillations per minute. The sturdy metal gear head ensures the tool's durability. This ensures it can handle tough jobs with ease. The compact body and ergonomic grip provide optimal control. A universal screw allows for easy and quick accessory changes. You can quickly switch blades with the included Allen key. The vibration control makes it easy to maneuver. Simply press the on-off switch to start. The 3-meter cord provides extra workspace. The package includes multiple blades and sanding pads. It comes with everything you need to get started. This makes it a complete solution for your cutting and sanding needs. What we like. This tool boasts a powerful 1.5A motor, making it perfect for tackling various cutting and sanding tasks. The quick accessory change feature saves you valuable time, allowing you to switch blades effortlessly. If you have a lot of projects and need a reliable tool that's easy to control, this is the one for you. What people say. It cut through wood, plastic, and even some old caulk without any trouble. The quick clamp system means you don't need any extra tools to change blades or sanding pads, which save me a lot of time. This tool has the blade mount function perfected, so I can quickly load and go. Number 4. Dremel MM35-01 Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. This Dremel multi-tool features a powerful 3.5 amp motor, making it easy to handle various DIY projects. It's perfect for repairing, remodeling, and restoring your home. Changing accessories is quick and secure with the innovative toolless design. You won't need a wrench, saving you time and effort. The wide 3.2-degree oscillation angle provides the right speed for any application. The compact front end helps you reach tight spaces. With a speed range of 10,000 to 21,000 OPM, it offers optimal performance and control. You can use it on a variety of materials. The tool housing has a soft grip, providing added comfort and control. This design ensures a better user experience. The kit includes 12 high-quality accessories and a convenient carrying bag. It comes with cutting blades, sanding pads, and a backing pad, ready for any task. What we like. The Dremel Multimax features a robust 3.5 amp motor, ensuring it can handle even the toughest applications. The toolless accessory change system is a game changer, allowing for quick and secure accessory swaps. If you are looking for a tool that offers both power and convenience, this is a great choice. What people say. The MM35 performed well in the first, and thus far only, project that I used it for, which involved plunge cutting a 6-inch by 6-inch square hole, using the included MM482 blade, through 2 layers of plywood, total thickness 1.5 inch, inside a built-in cabinet so that I could install an exhaust cooling fan for my AV equipment. I traced out the hole that needed to be cut and found the MM35 easy enough to handle to accurately cut along the lines that I traced. The tool is very lightweight, the grip is very soft and comfortable, making it easy to handle and control. The cord is made of rubber cord and has a wide working range which facilitates greater movement. The extra wide angle of oscillation combined with the power of the tool allows it to get to the toughest spots. One thing that I really appreciated about it is that it is a very quiet tool for a machine with such speed. I like the versatility of this tool. I like that it comes with the metal wood blade, the sheetrock blade, and sanding tool with sandpaper that velcros onto the sand tool. And the added bonus is that it comes with a nice sturdy storage bag that has room for you to add additional tools or other supplies that you may want to keep with the tool. Dremel thought of everything. The mechanism to exchange blades is a breeze, loved it. And the on-off switch is easy to operate. It has a nice long cord with a trip mechanism to protect the tool, at least I think that's what it is. What else can I say? I totally love this tool. Number 3. 1 MT3537 Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. This versatile tool helps you remove rust, deburr edges, and sand surfaces. It can also cut drywall and saw wood. It's designed to handle a wide range of projects. Changing blades and bits is fast and easy with the quick-release head. You can switch between accessories without any tools. This feature saves you time and effort. The 3.5 amp motor provides reliable performance for all your needs. Whether you're sawing, sanding, or scraping, it delivers the power you need. You can count on it to get the job done. Adjust the speed from 10,000 to 20,000 oscillations per minute. The 3.7-degree oscillation range gives you control. This allows you to match the speed to the task. The kit includes a tool storage bag, scraper blade, sanding pad, sandpaper, and a wood blade. It also comes with a 2-year warranty. Everything you need is right here. This tool is perfect for reaching those hard-to-access areas. Install outlets and work in tight corners with ease. It's a must-have for any toolbox. What we like. This WEN oscillating tool features a quick-release head for fast, tool-free blade changes, saving you time and effort. The powerful 3.5 amp motor will provide reliable performance for all your sawing, sanding, and scraping needs. If you like a tool that combines speed and versatility, this is the perfect option. What people say. It's powerful, well-built, quiet, and easy to use, especially with the quick blade release lever. It operates smoothly with minimal vibration. I haven't used it a ton, but I've cut out some sections of flooring and drywall and it has worked great. Number 2. DEWALT DCS 356B20V Max XR Oscillating Multi-Tool. Introducing the DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Multi-Tool. This tool is designed to make your work easier and more efficient. It's a must-have for any toolbox. This tool features a 3-speed selector, allowing you to choose the perfect speed for any application. This feature gives you more control over your work. You can easily adjust it based on your needs. The brushless motor provides up to 57% more runtime compared to brushed motors. This means you can work longer without needing to recharge. It's built to last and perform. The dual grip variable speed trigger gives you ultimate control over the speed. This allows for precise adjustments based on the task. You'll find it easy to use and very responsive. The universal accessory adapter is compatible with most oscillating tool accessory brands. This gives you flexibility and allows you to use the accessories you prefer. It's very convenient. The quick change accessory system allows you to change blades and attachments quickly without wrenches. This saves you time and effort on the job. It's designed for efficiency. A bright LED illuminates dark work surfaces for accurate cutting. This feature ensures you can see your work clearly, even in low-light conditions. It enhances precision. What we like. The DEWALT 20V Max XR features a brushless motor, delivering extended runtime and efficiency. The 3-speed selector allows you to choose the perfect speed for any application. If you are looking for a cordless tool that offers both power and precision, you should consider this one. What people say. The tool's oscillating action made quick work of trimming the door frame. The multiple attachments were very useful for various tasks. The tool is well balanced and easy to control. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Tool Kit. This is the DEWALT 20V Max XR Oscillating Tool Kit. It comes with blades, a battery, and a charger. It's designed to make your work easier and more efficient. The 3-speed selector lets you choose the right speed for the job. This feature ensures you have the control you need for various applications. It's all about getting the job done right. The brushless motor provides up to 57% more runtime compared to brushed motors. This means you can work longer without needing to recharge. It's built for efficiency and durability. The dual grip variable speed trigger gives you ultimate control over the speed. This allows you to adjust the tool to match the specific task. You're in command with this feature. The universal accessory adapter works with most oscillating tool accessory brands. This gives you the flexibility to use a wide variety of attachments. It's all about versatility. The quick change accessory system allows for fast blade changes without wrenches. This saves you time and effort on the job. It's designed for convenience. A bright LED illuminates dark work surfaces for accurate cutting. This feature ensures precision, even in low-light conditions. It helps you see what you're doing. What we like. This DEWALT kit includes a brushless motor for extended runtime and efficiency. The 3-speed selector allows you to choose the perfect speed for any application. If you are looking for a complete cordless solution with a battery and charger, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This is the best tool for removing weeds and grass from your gardens or flower beds. It leaving the soil loose, allowing the rain to penetrate to the roots for growth. It works great forward or sideways for this project. The tools are powerful, comfortable to use, and the battery life is excellent. The included accessories make tasks much easier and help get the work done faster and more efficiently. Being cordless makes it even more convenient. From cutting trim to install flooring to zipping through a piece of exhaust pipe on my son's dirt bike to install an aftermarket pipe, this thing comes in handy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.